Completely forgotten.
What are we doing today?
It's the urban exploring van tour.
Nah.
We're on now.
What's happening? We're gonna be unboxing stuff
I'm gonna take a quick
that you have sent us. Hit the montage.
Oh yeah, twerk it, sister.
Oh,
that's a nice box. Did the post office give you that box?
yeah, the post office gave me this box because the post office I go to is based in medieval times.
Can we do a tracking shot?
Yeah, let's do all the unboxy sort of stuff. Oh, that's not as quick as I was hoping.
Fuck. This ain't light-hearted.
Oh, your hair looks very frizzy today.
I just got out of the shower.
You want a shower?
Yeah.
That's a lie.
Money shot.
That's really like...
That was terrible. That wasn't too bad. Are these arranged in who's opening them? Today?
No. This seat is fucking horrible.
Today we're sponsored by Pepsi Max, Drink Fresh. Alright down there, Lloyd.
Yeah. Is this a fucking kid's seat? So what, we're doing the letters first? You know, like when you'd have your birthday and you do your birthday cards first? I'll do this one. And this one looks really respectable.
Oh, we're rolling. Oh, it's a drawing.
Oh, it's a lovely drawing.
You've been cut off. Why have you been cut off? Do you not like Mark?
That's actually a pretty sick fucking
It's fucking
drawing, is that? Oh my god, guys, this is a fucking check.
Why is it written on lined paper then? Right.
Because it's a lined papered check. Lloyd not on an owl. Hope you like this rate picture. Rate picture I drew for you, chat. Absolutely love your videos. You lot crack me up. And it's the highlight of my week. Gives a shout out, John the Viking Motson. Or Matson.
Yes, John Motson.
John Motson.
Matson.
I like.
Keep up the good work. See you in hell.
I like how he's got Al's horrible fingers right.
Right, is it my turn?
Some fucking cheap bastard sent it as second class post.
I've never known anyone finger a letter before.
We have a postcard.
No.
Oh, we've got €10.
Oh, someone sent us €10.
Hi guys, many wishes with UR program. I'm a woman from Holland and I like your UR show very well, very much. Very nice locations and everything. I have a smile from the program.
How did you write this?
Hell yeah.
Greetings from Holland and a lot success further with Hell on Earth, the best YouTube program. Greets, Yuli. Thank you very much, Yui.
We do accept all currencies, by the way, just for future reference.
Yeah,
Apart from Azerbaijani dollar. Come on now, and pick a post.
Jacksonville, Florida, I'm going for this.
Have you just cut through the entire letter there? Is it £1 million? What the fuck is that?
It's some kind of like Bible thing.
Someone sent that all the way from Jacksonville, Florida.
You don't hear that much preaching.
yeah.
I really want to see what this one is. Can I have the knife, please, Mark?
Of course. Hell yeah.
It's got loads of stuff in it.
Oh my god, is this an art exhibition?
This is fucking well cool. Ghost Tank 1, John Goras. Oh, they're stickers.
Look.
They are stickers. Would you like a Ghost Tank 1 sticker?
Hell yeah.
Did you just stick that on yourself?
Hell yeah.
Is that this guy? Hi lads, love your content. Please could you roast this gormless looking git in your unit way? His name is Dennis and he causes nothing but trouble and misery on our street. I think it's his neighbour.
Dennis, you've been named and shamed.
This is like the thing where you're like appealing for witnesses to a crime.
Have you seen this man? He attacked me with this knife. I'll hold it for him.
Fuck you, Denny.
Hashtag, you eat that bit, I'll eat this.
Hashtag fuck Dennis.
Hashtag fuck Dennis.
I don't know why, but you don't know the guy who sent that. Next. Say that again.
This video is sponsored by BNT.
You're very gentle.
Oh yeah, I'm gentle. You don't know what's in this shit. Could be anthrax.
Could be a nail bomb.
What's it say?
It's been written by a 4-year-old.
Oh my god. This is Mark hit Alex.
What the fuck did you do?
Dear.
Knocked on me?
I might have trouble reading this because it actually does look like it's been
Written by you?
Yeah. Dear hell on earth, I love your videos. Mark is my favourite. Alex is my worst. He is
such a lovely guy, and I really enjoy listening to him talk. Such a something
fuck. And Johnny is okay. If you are reading this,
thank you.
Thank you. And Mark, could you please slap Alex? Thank you.
Oh, slap.
Love
Ryan, love Martin. So I'm guessing Ryan's the kid and Martin's his dad. Lloyd, it's your turn. Do you want this one, or this one?
Oh, look.
Can I have these?
That's fucking
These are spicy. Can I have these?
They look like toilet things.
Oh, they do.
What the hell are they?
They're rank. Oh, look at these. These are red hots.
Kool-Aid.
Oh,
You've never tried Kool-Aid?
I've never tried this shit. Thank you, whoever. Can we just find out who sent us this so we can say thank you?
Yeah, it's from Amber Dodgson.
You're my favourite.
I just wanted to say thank you to you three for making the great videos that you make. I hope you guys like the sweets. I got them in some American candy store.
She's not even American.
Well, I didn't even see the thing. Where did it come from?
Batley.
Oh no, that is just something from these actually from America.
You're not my favourite American woman, but you are still nice. They're mine.
Well, we're sharing them. It was sent to us.
They're mine.
It was sent.
They're mine.
I'll open your mouth.
Oh shit! Hang on.
You got some in your beard?
I don't have a beard. What we got next? A sock.
Oh, they're lemony. Is that someone's sock? What the fuck?
It's got holes in it.
Someone just said this. Is it a wank sock?
Why'd you put it on? Times are hard, so I can only spare one. You know what to do with it. Keep it real. The grizzly toucan.
It smells.
Is it crusty? Well, you try these Skittles first. Wear that from now on.
It's a wank glove. With the help from the grizzly toucan, these will be on our store soon. Get your wank gloves.
Did you just put his sock on your hand?
Yeah, where the fuck have you been?
You can't assume the gender of a bag, lady. Can I have some crisps?
Al, that's for you.
Money shot.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's a hole.
We have some crisps. We've got a dog.
Oh, we got a fucking intruder. Oh, he's sitting in my seat.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's well done.
What's he say on the back?
From Al from Rich Bacon and A Bacon 6051 and all A Decay Mouse.
Hashtag DK Mouse.
Decay Mouse, apparently. I think that's who. Thank you.
You've got your nose spot on.
Oh, it's got sherbet in it.
Oh, the bubba.
Charlie?
Oh.
Oh, is that why? Did that rubber chicken come out of the bag?
Yeah, we did say in the video.
Jesus,
we did say in the video.
I'm being attacked.
Oscar.
He's being a menace. You can just have it as it is.
Oh well, that's the first episode ruined.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for sending us a rubber chicken, but it's being kidnapped by the dog.
Don't use the knife on the dog.
I also meant to silence it. Fucking get that.
I think the dog likes it.
He loves it. Thank you.
What?
Thank you to Claire, Rich, Abby and Charlie.
Can we open the last box?
Put their address on it. Expose them.
Great start. Ice cream the music.
What the fuck?
What the hell?
Is it a curtain?
It's got something inside it. It's got,
Oh, it's a baby's head!
no way.
It's a baby's head in a woman's dress. Oh, it's a scarf. Hang on. I think this came out of it.
So did this, lady.
Oh, did that? As requested, one severed baby doll's head, a scarf for Al, some stickers for Johnny. From V-Dub Customs on Instagram.
I've seen him.
I know that guy.
I know
V-Dub
that guy.
Customs on Instagram, thank you.
V-Dub Customs on Instagram, go follow
V-Dub Customs on Instagram.
V-Good Customs.
V-Good
These are
Customs.
for you.
Nice scarf, Al. You're right, that has been... That was a good ending. You got the ending, say it.
Thanks for watching. If you want to send us anything,
Is it still working now?
the address will be on the screen.